Jake at saka si Direk Dan, the man of the hour. Today, this morning, they had a Storycon for a movie and then now they're doing a primetime teleserye. Ayan, gitna natin ng ating the most, ang pinaka-iintay na leading lady ngayon, Miss Yen Santos. Fresh from, of course, the beautiful teleserye, All of Me. And of course, after 8 years together, ang David Garcias of the world. Of the phenomenal tayong dalawa. Ayan, after 8 years, nag-reunite po sila. And of course, the box office director, 100 million movie, Always Be My Maybe, Direk Dan Villegas. And of course, he also co-directed On the Wings of Love, of course, with Director Net Hadaone. But this time, this is his first. Okay. Ayan po, we'd like to hear from Direk Dan. Direk Dan, it's been a long day for you. Can you greet everyone, please?
Salamat po, good evening po. Salamat po sa pagpunta.
Yes. Pagod na, Direk.
Kaya pa.
And of course, we are betting on her stardom. She's now with Dreamscape. Yen Santos.
Hi, good evening po. Salamat po sa pagpunta niyo tonight.
Thank you. And of course, Jake Cuenca.
Good evening guys, maraming salamat. Please tulungan niyo po kami to spread the word of this new show. So thank you so much po.
Thank you, Jakey. And of course, Gerald Anderson.
Ayun, good evening po. Maraming pong salamat sa pagpunta. And yun, sabi ni Jake, sana tulungan niyo kami. Spread the word about this very inspirational show na gagawin namin para sa inyo.
Yun na, narinig na natin ang